You're looking at a live volcanic eruption. Over the next 60 seconds, we'll see the full force of this natural disaster. The Pacific Ocean is dotted with both active and dormant volcanoes. We are bringing you live coverage of a volcanic eruption, captured right at the volcano's crater.
Here. Come this way. Come. Follow the way. Come. Look at this here. Come posso aiutare? Sparare indietro.
Shifting our focus away from the volcanic activity, let's turn our attention to a wildfire currently burning in Canada. And now, let's turn our attention to another major wildfire, this time in Chile. The devastation caused by this blaze has been immense, putting a strain on local authorities. A sea of lava is pouring out of the volcano, creating a scene of absolute destruction. The danger zone extends for 50 kilometers in every direction. This aerial footage captures the raw power and terror of this natural event. We want to hear your thoughts, so please share this video and leave a comment. Isn't it terrifying? Even within a 50-kilometer radius from the volcano's crater, the lava flow is still moving rapidly. I fear the impact zone of this lava river might be larger than originally predicted. It's truly horrifying. Mother Nature is unleashing her wrath and consuming everything in its path. This is unbelievable. This is an active volcano, and the molten lava is just pouring out. What's even more frightening is that there's no end in sight.
Come this way. Here. Come this way.
A new report from Brazil's space agency, INPE, reveals a devastating surge in wildfires in the Amazon rainforest. With 13,489 fires recorded in the first half of 2023, the region has experienced a 61% increase in wildfires compared to the same period last year. This surge in wildfires is believed to be linked to the severe drought that impacted the Amazon last year, making the rainforest more susceptible to fires. Wildfires are erupting with unprecedented frequency and ferocity, spreading beyond the traditional boundaries of the western states to engulf even the eastern seaboard. These blazes have caused widespread destruction, including significant loss of life, property damage, and environmental degradation. The devastating Maui wildfires serve as a stark reminder of the growing threat posed by these uncontrollable fires. The Japan Meteorological Agency (JM) has issued a rare major tsunami warning for Ishikawa, raising concerns of a repeat of the 2011 disaster. The warning, which has since been downgraded to its tsunami warning, indicates potential waves of up to 3 meters. The agency has also issued lower-level alerts for other parts of Japan. Under Japan's strict tsunami warning system, these classifications are based on the expected height of income. An undersea volcano near the Pacific island nation of Tonga erupted twice, triggering a tsunami around 5 p.m. on January 14th and 15th, 2022. The nation's capital, Nuku'alofa, and other cities were blanketed in ash. The entire country lost power, and phone service and other domestic services were cut off. The massive eruption of the Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Hapai volcano, located about 65 kilometers north of Nuku'alofa, caused widespread devastation.
Ya Allah, orang so lari semua masuk sana. Ya Allah, hasbunallah ni'mal wakil, ni'mal mawla wa ni'man nasir, wa la hawla